Here we have our sheep kidney dissection. Here, this dense, irregular connective tissue is what's left of the renal capsule. It encompasses the kidney and protects it and helps it maintain its shape. Here we have the ileus. That's where the renal artery, renal vein, and the ureter connect into the kidney. Above, we have the renal artery that brings blood in from the abdominal aorta to the kidney. And then here's the renal vein, which brings deoxygenated blood away from the kidney back to the heart. Here is the ureter, which sends urine away from the kidney and eventually out of the body. The internal part of the kidney is called the renal medulla. The outer portion of the kidney is called the renal cortex. There are pyramids throughout called renal pyramids. The base faces the cortex, and the apex faces the ileus. The kidney is divided into lobes, each of which consist of a pyramid, a portion of the cortex at the pyramid base, and a portion of the renal column on each side. A calyx are cup-like divisions found within the medulla. There are two different kinds, minor and major. The minor drain into the major calyxes, which then drain into the renal pelvis here. From the renal pelvis, the fluid goes into the ureter, which empties into the urinary bladder. Renal papilla are at the apex of the renal pyramid. They are continuous with the minor calyx. There are certain microscopic portions of the kidney, such as the renal corpuscle. That's where the glomerulus is enclosed within the glomerular capsule. That's the site of filtration. Here we can get a look at the inside of the ureter and a better look at the inside of the renal pelvis.